Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Also hardbackelectronics.com. So I'm stripping the AK Ultra. Like I said, not worth it to fix it. I want to be married to it. The amount of time I'd have to put into it, it's just not worth it. Sell it, and these things usually always end up getting abused, and they always have issues if their rollers aren't maintained. So as you can see, this is a genuine AK Ultra. A lot of people, they take 3K Ultras and convert them. There's a myth going around that they sold 3K Ultras out of the factory that were AKs. That is a lie. So if you have one that says 3K, it's definitely a conversion. They use the same output network. Some of the caps might be different values, but same output network, and not hard to convert one. Power supply has to be changed. But so I'm not going to get into that. So I looked at the inductor closer, and the black stuff is not it's not from arcing. It's just dirty. This can be used or rebuilt. If I were to fix this, I would rebuild it, but it's someone put some kind of goo on the inside. It might be conductive, might not be, I don't know. But so as you can see, problem with the roller inductors, these are silver plated, and start stripping the silver plating off as the wheel's going up and down. So I'm selling this. The price I think on this will be very rare. You can't get another. Price is 800 bucks on this. I checked the L inductor, and looks like it's in decent shape. Both sold as is. I'm not going to disassemble them, but I rotate it, and the wheel looks decent. So I don't see any. But again, as is, needs to be clean, needs to be taken apart. Also has that goop on it. So price on this is 400 bucks. Can't get it. These were both made at Henry. Cannot get them. Cannot get them. The later ones, they used a different material. It was red, and they had tabs for whatever reason. Soldered. They were drilled through and soldered, and they put a bead of silicone or something else. So no socket. The micro material, this, a lot of times people will flash the cap to ground, and this micro material will get damaged. It's unobtainium. Sell this piece of micro. At least one of the caps is damaged. Won't come with the caps. So that piece is 300 or 400 bucks. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. The prices are high because this stuff is unobtainium. You will not find it, and it's not worth it. You know, going through all this to sell things for peanuts. Here's another reason why I'm not fixing it. That you can't even see it, but there's a makeshift relay down there that would short the larger coil out for the higher bands. It's totally disconnected. There's another relay back there. I don't even know if it's there. I think it is, but it was short half the coil out. And one of the videos I said that was for that, but I had it wrong. I was going quick. So I'm going to flip over the bottom and show you the bottom. Be right back. Okay, there's a guy that worked at Henry, tried to copy this. Didn't work out too great. Actually, the guy who designed it tried to make one for me years ago for a guy in Massachusetts, and that didn't work out. So these are ultra rare. Checked it out. Again, sold as is. I have no control over how I use things. So 500 bucks on the this whole assembly. It'll come out. This and the relay, and all the rest will be for sale too. So I'll have to figure out prices. But I'm gonna go over to the power supply. Be right back. Okay, filament transformer staying here. Choke is listed on QTH. I forget what I have it listed on. Therefore, these two caps are good. Appear to be good. They're just dusty. So I'll check them thoroughly. Yeah, they're just dusty. So they look newer, like they've been replaced. So the price on those is for the pair 300 bucks. And these prices don't include shipping. That transformer had been replaced because the original one melted down when the rectifier failed. That's why they added the third fuse holder. Those the whole diode assembly is 300 bucks, and that's about it. That's available. Oh, and the resonating cap, and then the vacuum relay. I'm not sure on those yet. So if you're looking for any of this stuff, it is unobtainium. You will not, anyone with an AK, you know, I'm with my amplifiers, I don't like building anything that has obsolete parts or owning anything with obsolete parts. So I still have multiples of each part, but something like this, if you have an 8K Ultra as a technician, I really recommend stocking up parts. People, I don't think I've ever seen one, or maybe one years and years, over 10 or 15 years ago I saw one, I think an RF deck, but other than that, I don't see them getting parted out. People just use them and burn them up and use them on some of the bands they still work on, but it is good to have spare parts. So that's about it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, websites are amprepairguy.com and harbackelectronics.com. I still don't have my voice, but I'm feeling a lot better. So I'll be working on that SB200 on Monday. Wait till you see that thing. That thing is crazy. So again, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Actually, a great weekend also. 73.